Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Mom Loses Control, Punches Minor Son, and Pays the Price. Man, these ain't the old days, man, where you could just, you know, give your kid that, you know, that act right. You know what I'm saying? They definitely, you know, you definitely gonna get in trouble nowadays, you know? Shoot, when I was a kid, I used to get hit with that act right. You hear me?
I'm the mom.
You know, you can't stop me from talking.
You can't put my hands on me. You're looking at. Y'all better get arrested too for going in some motherfucking house without a fucking warrant.
On April 28th, 2024, officers responded to a residence following a call from a teenage boy reporting that his mother had assaulted him.
Jake, put me on it.
Well, we got the shower clothes.
Not yet.
Huh? My kid.
Where's your husband at?
I don't got no fucking husband.
Who are you arguing with?
I don't know.
We got a call that there was a lot of screaming, yelling, and fighting.
Which one is Christopher?
He's gone. Him, my son.
Christopher, come talk to me.
Man, he don't got no whole talk to you. No. I said no. I said no.
558 PD, you can open the channel.
I said no. I'm the mom.
You know, you can't stop me from talking. No, you can't.
He's a teenager. He ain't gonna so. No.
No worries.
Man, no. I'll talk to you guys.
Oh, I got it.
Man, no.
Christopher called, and I want to talk to you. Come talk to me. All right, I'm in.
Go ahead.
Where's this thing at?
I know my work.
How did you get that mark? How did you get that mark on your face? Huh?
No.
Excuse me?
One of my sisters wants to talk.
Okay, when did that happen?
Or like 2 hours ago.
Okay, come around and talk to me.
Hell no. Man, te digo que no ves hasta. Man, they put him no. He already got cracked.
This is the fist over here?
Yeah.
Is it locked or open? All right, what's going on, man?
All right, so I don't know where he went, but
Right.
and he was putting his hands on my mom, and I got kind of pissed off, and I could tell that he was bleeding a little bit too.
If you come out here, you're gonna get arrested.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
stop, dude. I'm
My son.
Stop.
Okay, you can't stop me.
I
You
know
can't
my
stop
rights.
me.
I know my rights.
No, you don't know your rights.
It's a
No,
right.
you don't know your rights.
Woman.
You don't know your rights.
If he wants to speak to him, he can.
Okay, no, Jack Chris.
Yeah.
All right, so tell me what happened.
All right, so he was putting her hands on my mom, and I was trying to get him to chill out, but he was
No,
not.
Chris.
Come here, come on.
I was trying to get him to stop.
Okay.
I was trying to get him to stop, but he would not stop.
Okay.
He was like, they were arguing back and forth. My mom tried to stop. My mom tried to stop him, and if you were to catch him somewhere, he's wearing, I don't know, I forgot what he was wearing.
Okay, are they married?
No.
Do they have any kids or anything like that together?
No.
Okay, does he live here or anything like that?
I mean, technically, he kind of, yeah, technically he does. He's not on
What do
a
you
lease.
mean?
He wasn't on a lease.
So wait, hold on. Who's the other guy? Like, wait, who? They don't have no kids together. So what? She a single mom, and dude just come over there and beat it up from time to time. Pretty much, that's what I'm getting out of it. And the son tried to step in. Okay. You know, hey, single mom, no man in the household for real. Where the dad at? You know what I mean? Like, she gonna do what she do. You know what I'm saying? Listen, where the father at? No, dang, he took off. He said, I ain't dealing with her. You hear me? So, but yeah, man. So yeah, that's crazy, man. Got dude coming through, beat it up from time to time. You know, rearrange them guts. You know? No, let me stop. All right, I'm gonna let it play. I'm done.
If he wants to speak to him, he can.
Okay, no, Jack Chris.
Yeah.
All right, so tell me what happened.
All right, so he was putting her hands on my mom, and I was trying to get him to chill out, but he was
No,
not.
Chris.
Come here, come on.
I was trying to get him to stop.
Okay.
I was trying to get him to stop, but he would not stop.
Okay.
He was like, they were arguing back and forth. My mom tried to stop. My mom tried to stop him, and if you were to catch him somewhere, he's wearing, I don't know, I forgot what he was wearing.
Okay, are they married?
No.
Do they have any kids or anything like that together?
No.
Okay, does he live here or anything like that?
I mean, technically, he kind of, yeah, technically he does. He's not on
What
a
do you
lease.
mean?
He wasn't on a lease.
Chris, don't do that.
Yeah, calm down.
Chris.
They're gonna arrest you. Calm down. Go back in the house.
Yo le puse las manos
¿Y tus hijos? ¿Y tus hijos?
Chris.
Yeah.
Amigo, le van a llevar, yo le puse las manos primero, él le van a llevar por años. Por años. Don't do that, Chris. Chris. Man, hey.
Yeah.
Man, first of all, you can't put my hands on me.
Stop.
Mijo, please, I'm telling you, mijo, se lo van a llevar.
So he's not on the leash. But why do you have this here?
My siblings.
What, you guys playing or something?
Yeah, I think they bit me hard as heck.
Huh?
They bit me like really hard.
How old is your siblings?
There's one that's 5, 6, or 7. They're gonna
Se lo van a llevar, yo le puse las manos primero. Él no merece eso, mijo. Hey, Chris, I did.
Stop yelling.
I don't give
Stop
a
yelling.
what you say.
Stop yelling.
No, because they don't know
Disorderly
anything.
conduct.
Man, if you keep yelling, you're going to jail.
I don't give a fuck. I
For
know my
disorderly
rights. Get the
conduct.
fuck out of here. You don't know. I know my rights.
Yeah, stop.
Man,
They're gonna
get
take you to jail,
them.
too.
Okay.
Okay, so you guys were playing or something?
Yeah.
Okay, so who broke the window here?
Yes, I did. I
Defend herself.
what you say. No.
Hey, put it. Hey, if she don't calm down, put her in cuffs. Put her in cuffs. Put her in cuffs. Ben, hook her up.
Okay, so you
Have
can't
a
touch
seat.
me.
Have a
You
seat.
can't touch
Have a
me.
seat.
You can't touch
Have a
me.
seat.
Eso lo van a llevar
Hey,
por años.
have a seat down there. Okay.
Somebody
You're under arrest.
Don't put
Now you're under arrest.
Now you're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
And resisting.
touch you. I don't touch
Stop.
you. I don't fucking touch you. I didn't touch nobody.
Fine.
Yeah, put her in your car.
From under arrest for what?
Disorderly conduct. We have people standing outside and you're out here yelling, screaming. That's disorderly conduct.
What?
You're under arrest.
All right, just stop touching me like that.
Okay, I'm not touching you, ma'am. I'm leading you to the car. Stop.
Stop touching me like that. You're hurting me.
Listen.
You're
Well, you're
hurting me.
Hey, what's
You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
What is your name?
You're hurting me.
What is
You're hurting me.
in custody at
You can't search me. I want a woman. I want
Ma'am,
a woman.
stop.
I want a woman to no, don't touch me.
Stop.
I need a woman to search me. Hey, you can't put me in front. Put me in front. Because I don't see no camera.
We both have body cameras on, ma'am.
Where?
Right
What's your
here.
name?
This is what the small kids you was playing with? Or who? Come on, man, tell me the truth. Who hit you? Did that dude hit you?
No, what? Hell no.
Okay.
Hell no. No, hell. He's my cousin.
All right,
Hell.
he's not in there. Is he in there? He's not in the house?
No, I promise you everything I love on my dead grandpa. He walked away this way.
Okay. He said they say he walked away. He said he left and went that way. So. All right. Who else is in the house right now? Your siblings?
Yeah.
So call them out.
They're they're chilling right now. They're in the garage all together.
Everybody. He said who's in the house right now?
No one.
Nobody. Okay. Who broke the window?
Her. But she was just trying to defend herself from him.
What did she do? She threw at somebody. What
She tried
she
to throw
throw?
at him. It was like a little.
All right, we're going to your house and clear your house and make sure that it's okay. Okay. All right, let's go. Yeah, all your younger brothers and sisters outside in the garage. Okay. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and clear the house.
Why don't you guys just have a seat on the porch?
We'll be right back.
What's your name?
Officer
What's your name?
Benvenuto, stop.
What's your name? What's your name?
Are you done?
What's your name?
You're gonna make it harder for
Well,
yourself.
why? Why? Because you're talking to us.
Is there anything in your bra at all?
No.
Okay.
You don't touch me. I want a woman.
I'm gonna check
I
with the
want a
outside of
woman.
my. Listen.
I want a woman.
I'm gonna check with the outside of my.
And it's on video, okay?
Okay, well, they're
right.
searching me on video.
And we have the right to search you, ma'am.
I can't put you in the car without searching you. Okay?
No, so search me that. Why are you having anybody touching me like that?
Ficus, I'll grab your stuff. I already did. Let me move your back. Let me move your stuff.
I'm telling you to sit down. No, sit down.
Kenosha Police, I'm coming up. Kenosha Police.
Party 25 3.
Kenosha Police. Got a locked door. Hey, whose room is the locked room upstairs?
Which room?
At the end of the hallway.
That's the one on the left or the one all the way.
No, all straight back.
That's the back.
Why? Who's in it?
No, you could
It's locked.
try to unlock it because it's messed. The bathroom's messed up, so we don't.
Kenosha Police. Hey, come out, man. Come out now.
I have a
Hey.
contact. And so here, I'm gonna go stop out of the jail first.
Come out now.
That's nice.
Ready?
10-4-5-49.
Ready? Pop, take it.
Echo 6-6.
All right, cool.
Is that a female you have?
I can't hang on a second. I can't.
Like my sister's father, like a baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, 32.
Is that guy who told me here picks him up for it?
Who, your father?
Yeah, their father.
Yes, of course. Okay.
Can I get your name, officer?
I will give it to you when we get to the jail.
That's fine. That's fine. You guys just went inside my house without a warrant. You know that, right?
Okay. Like my partner explained, we don't
You guys
have to,
know that,
okay?
right?
I'm not gonna, listen, I'm not gonna argue with it, okay? So if you know the law, then you know the law.
I know my f***ing law. You guys
Okay.
just went inside my house and you didn't give me your f***ing name and I got arrested for what?
138 for battery.
For what?
What's your name?
For what?
What's your name?
What's your f***ing
Okay.
488
What's your
name? At 93
They just went inside my house like that? And you know you're right. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?
525.
You know, you guys don't even have a warrant and you're arrested. That's how you fucking sit there and act like real
Sorry, make
tough.
sure you copy that it's
For what?
a light-skinned male black subject with a t-shirt with lesbian West Palm.
I want your name. I promise you, I'm not too long. Sorry, you guys are going inside my house and fucking doing all this shit. And you know, you guys are fucking wrong. What's your name?
Step out.
What's your name?
Step
I
out.
ain't stepping out until I get your name, officer. You guys went inside my house without a warrant.
If you know the law, then
Without
hand it
I know my law. There was no reason for you guys to go inside my
Okay,
house.
listen.
That's fine. Can I get your name,
Yep,
officer?
it's Ficus, 669.
669.
It'll be on all the paperwork. Step out.
669. I got
No,
it.
stop.
I'm going. I'm going. 669. What is it again?
669.
What
It's
is
gonna
your
be
name?
on all the paper. I
What's
just
your name?
told you.
No. Can you repeat your name for me?
No.
Why not? 669. 669. Alright, you guys just you know that, right? Without a warrant. You guys know that, right?
Stop.
669 without a warrant. And I can't even get your name again. Why? What's the
I've already
reason?
told you it's gonna be on the paper. I'm not going back and forth with you. Officers already explained why you're
so
going
that
to
you
do-
guys can go inside my house without a warrant? So
I'm
you
not
guys
arguing
can
this
get it?
thing.
Okay,
Enough.
that's fine. I know my rights. That's fine.
Okay, then take it out.
I can be drinking. Yeah, I was drinking. 669, right? What the f*** y'all looking at?
I gotta figure out what her charges are. I'll let you know if she's
They
staying
ain't
or
no fucking
bondable. soon.
charges. Y'all getting charged for me before I do. Y'all fucking run inside my house.
I don't know.
You don't know her
She won't give me anything.
We tried a fast ID.
I don't know my name.
I'll figure out what charges and all this stuff. I gotta talk to the guys on scene.
I know. Y'all better fucking get arrested too for going inside my motherfucking house without a fucking warrant.
Sir, could you step around?
Please. Y'all ain't shit. Y'all ain't fucking shit.
Verdiana Vallejo was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting or obstructing an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.